Hey everyone! Welcome back to Frugal American. Today we're diving into the world of prepper foods that our grandmas always had in their pantries. In generations of the past, it was a normal part of homemaking to have some extra food on the shelf in case of emergency. Whether it was a financial emergency, a friend in need, or a natural disaster, grandmas understood that having certain pantry staples was like money in the bank. These timeless staples are practical, delicious, and ingenious. Let's get started. 1. Canned meat. Now I know what you might be thinking. Canned meat? Really? But hold on, don't wrinkle your nose just yet. There's more to it than meets the eye. Canned meat, whether it's tuna, chicken, beef, or even Spam, is a prepper's best friend. It's versatile, convenient, and surprisingly tasty. The shelf life is unbeatable. Years, people, years. Imagine having a reliable protein source that lasts that long. Need a quick protein boost? Canned chicken straight from the can is your answer. It's ready to eat and packed with nutrients. Feeling fancy? Flake some tuna, mix it with mayo, celery, onion, and spices for a classic tuna salad sandwich. It's a timeless favorite. And let's not forget Spam. Fry it with eggs, dice it into a hash, or grill it. Spam is the culinary chameleon you never knew you needed. Its versatility will surprise you. 2. Flour. Friends, let's talk about flour. Not just any flour, but the all-purpose workhorse that's been a pantry staple for generations. Flour is essential. Think about it. What did our ancestors rely on when times were tough? Bread. And what is bread made from? Flour. It's the backbone of countless recipes, from biscuits to gravy to fried chicken. With a little yeast, water, and love, flour transforms into homemade bread. Stock up on flour and learn a couple of simple bread recipes. You'll be so happy to have this skill in trying times. 3. Oatmeal, the unsung hero of the pantry. Let's give it up for the humble oat, shall we? This unassuming grain has been a staple in pantries for generations, quietly providing nourishment and comfort. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse in disguise. Packed with essential nutrients, it's more than just a breakfast option. We're talking fiber, protein, and a slew of vitamins and minerals. It's a versatile ingredient that can be transformed in countless ways. Oatmeal is a blank canvas, begging for culinary creativity. You can make it sweet or savory, simple or elaborate. Spice things up with cinnamon, nutmeg, and honey. These additions not only enhance the flavor, but also add extra health benefits. Add dried fruit for sweetness and texture. Think raisins, apricots, or even cranberries. Or go savory with sautéed mushrooms, a poached egg, and Parmesan cheese. The possibilities are endless. Oatmeal adapts to your every culinary whim. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet or savory, it's got you covered. And the best part? It keeps you feeling full and satisfied. A bowl of oatmeal in the morning can keep those hunger pangs at bay for hours. That's the beauty of all that fiber. It's not just filling, it's also incredibly good for your digestive health. 4. Dried beans, tiny powerhouses of protein. Dried beans may be small, but they're nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. These tiny gems are essential for a balanced diet and can be a great meat substitute for vegetarians and vegans. They last for years if stored properly, making them a cost-effective and sustainable pantry staple. Beans can be used in countless ways, from hearty soups and stews to creamy dips and spreads. They add texture and flavor to any dish. Black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, the possibilities are endless. Each type of bean brings its own unique taste and nutritional benefits. Need a quick meal? Open a can of black beans, rinse them, and toss with onion, tomato, cilantro, and lime juice for a refreshing salad. It's a perfect dish for a busy day. Feeling adventurous? Roast chickpeas with spices for a healthy snack. They become crunchy and delicious, perfect for munching. And don't forget lentils. They cook up fast and are a blank canvas for any flavor profile. From Indian dal to French lentil salad, the options are vast. Stock up on dried beans, my friends. They are versatile, nutritious, and can elevate your cooking to new heights. Let them be your pantry superheroes, always ready to save the day with their incredible nutritional benefits and culinary versatility. 5. Honey liquid gold. Let's talk about nature's sweetener, honey. This golden nectar is not only delicious, but also incredibly shelf-stable. Honey naturally resists spoilage due to its low water content and high acidity. It's a versatile ingredient. Drizzle it over yogurt or oatmeal, glaze roasted vegetables or meats, or add it to tea with lemon. Honey's medicinal properties are legendary, soothing sore throats, healing wounds, and boosting the immune system. Next time you're at the grocery store, grab a jar or two. Add this liquid gold to your prepper pantry. Thanks for watching. Make sure to stock up on these essential prepper foods and keep your pantry ready for anything. Prepping isn't about fear-mongering. It's about being resourceful and prepared. Embrace the wisdom of generations past who understood the importance of self-sufficiency. Stock those pantries with confidence and have fun with it. Experiment with new recipes and enjoy cooking from scratch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you next time.